Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay. At school last week, we were like, what are we gonna do? And we have a person that works for us named Cole, and they are very artistic, and they said, why don't we make paper dolls? This is Gary's. Gary's in first grade. Like, how great is that?
So great.
This one belongs to Maya. I don't believe she's done. And then this one is so great. It's either Amara's or Ella's. Then the other really cool thing, Cole made this very awesome template for us. This is super cool. So it's on icy treat box, or you could use like a cereal box, so it's a little bit harder because you're gonna need to trace it more than once to get all of your pieces that you need. So the first thing you're gonna do is trace. This is, sometimes it's kind of hard to trace. You might need a big friend to help you, or you could put a little bit of tape down on it so it doesn't jump around. Yeah, check it out.
And when you said tape, you meant like put a piece on the
Oh
back side.
yeah, I
and
would
put it
use
down,
like
right?
tiny little piece of, maybe like a rolled up piece of tape to hold it. Kind of little friends' hands can be hard, or it could be a partner project. Maybe a big friend could help you. Bum, ba-da-bum. Ah! There it is, all cut out. Miss Kate drew a face for me already. Okay, so now I have my person. That's over here. Next is going to be like, what do you want your person to wear? I think that I will make myself some red hair. So now you take your template. This is the tricky part. Okay, I'm gonna just trace the top part onto my paper. Okay, now there's your head. Now imagine how you want your hair to look. So I think maybe I will have some longer hair on this one. So I'm gonna draw like that. Now's the tricky part. I'm gonna cut out the hair. Dolly's hair. Okay, so there's my hair. This side's got the drawing on. I don't really want that side, but check it out. Then I put that on my hair. Is that great?
Yeah.
That's so great. Also, this one looks more like me. My glasses and my short hair. Oh my gosh. All right. Focus up. Focus up.
Hey, Miss Hazel.
Yes.
You did not put the cap on the pen.
Oh my gosh. Always put your hats back on your pens, or you'll make your markers really sad. Now it comes to making your clothing. So I found Origami Paper, which I thought was super fun. This one's got different kinds of toast. I'm gonna make pants. So I'm gonna use pencil, and I'm gonna make some pants. I'm gonna trace the bottom. Now these are gonna be my pants. I'm gonna cut that out. I think you also could freestyle your clothes as well, but this gives you an idea if you're not really sure. Okay, so there's some high-waisted pants. Look at that. Oh, it looks like pants I would wear.
They didn't ask you there.
Now I need a top. Maybe well, my hair's red. Maybe I'll have a purple top. Okay, all right, now I'm back to my template again, which is why it's good that it's on a little bit of cardboard. And I don't need the head part. Now I'm going to trace the body. Okay, now I have my template like that, and then let's see. Maybe I'll wear kind of a short-sleeved, boxier top, because that's kind of what I wear. Let's see how it looks. Oh, except that you can't really see. Okay, there's my top. Oh, wow. That's kind of great.
Yeah.
Then,
Ready for summer camp.
yeah, okay. Oh, I'm ready for summer camp. And then because I do love good jewels, I will bejewel my neckline. Oh, okay. That is really extra. Okay, now I feel like I need to wear some wings. So I cut these out already. They made us
Yes.
2 templates. This one I don't have the template. I left that in the art room. But this is the kind of really cool wings that they did on theirs. Okay. Then we have glitter, because glitter is always fun. It's probably really not so great for our planet, but we still have a bunch, so we will never buy it again, but we still have some. Okay, here are my wings. I'm going to use glue stick, and I'm going to put it on the inside. And then for glitter, we collected all the extra glitter that landed in the bottom of our box. So there's my glittery wings. I'll just put that over here. If you're doing glitter, make sure you do it in a box or something else so it doesn't get all over your house. This is so fun. There I am.
Very Miss Hazel.
Oh, except I needed to let it dry. All right, you get the idea. All right, that is how you're gonna make a paper doll. And there's lots of different options, clothes, you could use painted paper, scrap paper, all kinds of things. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Thanks for joining us and hope to see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends.